Hi everyone, today I want to show you my Sonoff switch compatible with HomeKit. It doesn't need any server, I don't have any homebridge server running around the house. It's just a normal device that's connected to the internet that doesn't require anything else, and you can control it with your Home app or Siri. Check this out. You can also say, "Hey Siri, turn on Sonoff switch."
Okay, the Sonoff switch is on.
Cool, huh? The incredible thing about this project is its price. I mean, you can purchase this Sonoff switch for like $4 or $5 on Amazon.com or even AliExpress for cheaper prices. I want to show you how simple is the pairing process and the fact that this Sonoff, instead of the other, doesn't need anything else, any MQTT server or on-bridge server running inside your house. I have flashed inside here my custom-made firmware, and if I go in the Wi-Fi settings of my iPad, I can see that there is a new Wi-Fi called Sonoff switch. If I press it, a captive portal, it will be opened. I select my Wi-Fi and I type in my password. Now when I hit join, my Sonoff will be connected to the internet in my network, and if I open the Home app, I hit the plus button, add accessory. I don't have the code, and I can see already the Sonoff switch ready to be paired. It warned me that it's not an official device. I'm going to add it anyway. I type in the password and the pair is started. It's still pairing. This is going to take a while, like 20 seconds, something like this. And after this time, we are done. Our Sonoff will connect automatically to our Wi-Fi every time, I don't know, there is a power outrage or something. Okay, it's added. It's flashing. Means that everything's fine. I can rename it if I want, and it's working, baby. Okay guys, so if you like this project, please check in the description down here. I've placed the link on my GitHub repository where you can find all the information in order to make your own Sonoff switch compatible with HomeKit. It's very easy and you don't need any particular skill. And finally, you can have an HomeKit house without spending a fortune. Thank you!